Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to add music in video in Canva. So here I am in the home page of the Canva. Now let's go to the video. Here you can see different types of the video: mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok, YouTube video, etc. Okay, select according to the type of your video. I choose this blank video. Then here we can see Canva gives us many templates of YouTube video which we can use as an intro video or outro video or for anything. Now let's go to the point how we can add background audio in any video. For that, let's take any of the video from here. Or you can upload your video from the uploads. Here you can see there are some videos here which I uploaded before. Just you have to click on this upload file, choose your video and upload it here. Now let's go to the design. I choose this template for my video. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's add music. For you can see the option of the audio in the left side here. If you don't see the option over here, you may find it under the apps or under the 3 dots. Okay, so let's open the audio library. See, here we have a bunch of different tracks that you can select or use for your videos. Just make sure that you connect your YouTube channel of your Canva account so the license is already connected to your YouTube channel and you don't have any copyright issue. Or if you want to add your own music or your own voice, go to the uploads. Here choose the audio and upload the files from here. Okay, I already uploaded some music which I wanted to add on my video, so let's choose. By clicking on this audio here, you can see the track will be added in my video. By clicking left button, you can see the option of adjust, audio effect, volume, split audio, duplicate track, delete track. These are the options. You can change the volume of the music from here. Okay, I select 90. You can also split the audio, duplicate the audio from here. Now let's see how it's look. So guys, my audio is perfectly added in my video. By this way you can add background music in your video. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial and you learn something new. And if you found any valuable information in this video, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.